Hey guys, let's talk about this HY300 projector setup. You see that I have the image here on my wall already. So now we just need to come here to the settings and start the configuration or setup. Usually what I do is just come here to the network settings to set up the network first, okay? So I have here wireless network. Just look in yours. If you have a different menu, look for wireless network. In here you can refresh the network and look for the one that's from your router. You see that I have one here that's already saved. I can even connect to this one. So if it's saved, it's not connected yet. I just need to come here and hit connect. You see here, there's option to connect. Okay, so it's connected to the network. And if it's still like saved because it's not connecting for some reason, something is wrong here. So you can add the network again or just connect to the new one. Let me just show here connecting to a new one. This one just for testing, for example. And here I just need to insert the password. So I have here a temp password. Part of the password is uppercase. So just make sure that you have uppercase and lowercase correctly. Okay. My case here, I have some of them uppercase and some lowercase, right? And now you see that here is still gray, right? You need to change this to blue. So let me just come here, see still in the letters part here. You just come here to this green part, okay? It's the green button and press here. You see that becomes blue right there. And then you just press this key here to remove the keyboard, the virtual keyboard, and you're good to go. See the connect is blue now. Then you press OK. So it's trying to connect now using the password. If the password is correct, it's going to connect. You see, that's connected now. So I have one saved and one connected. The connected one is the one that's working. And here, the other one here, you just need to insert the password again or reboot your router. Something's not working. It's saved, but it's not connected. Or you can just try again. Let's just try again. Connect. So see there, now it's connected. But again, to the just for testing network, which is the other one, right? So something's wrong with this my Wi-Fi-24. And what I have to do is just reboot my router or just remove from here and try again. Okay, but even though that's the way you set up your Wi-Fi network. And then now you can have access to YouTube or Netflix, whatever you have here in the projector. Let's say YouTube, for example. Let's just load it and see. Now I have to install the YouTube. It's the first time that I'm using, so I just need to come to this blue button here and install YouTube. You see, it's downloading and installing. So it's pretty fast here because I have a fast connection to the network, and then you can just launch. Right? So you have the options to install YouTube. It doesn't come installed. You need to install first. Then you can sign in here to your YouTube account and use it. Okay? It's the same for the other apps here. If you come home and you try to use Netflix, for example, it's gonna offer you to install Netflix as well. So I just come here, click install, wait for it to finish, and then I can log in with my account. Simple like this, right? Install whatever it's available there, and then you can log in and use it. Still installing there. Then when it finishes, you can use. Let me just come back to home here and explain something else. Like, for example, you wanna set up the projector screen. You come here to projecting settings, and from here you can adjust. You see front projection. When you click here, it changes to rear projection if you have like a screen that you can project from behind. And it comes back here to front projection. Digital scaling, you can just increase or decrease here. You see it. And auto trapezoidal correction, sorry. You see that adjusts for you automatically. Or you can just disable this and come here to menu and manually adjust this, right? You press here OK to select the corner, and then you just press this button here, right, left, up and down to adjust. See that I'm adjusting the left corner here. And then when I press OK, it comes to the other one here. Then I press the buttons to adjust again until I get it done, right? Then this one to exit, and I'm good to go. So super simple. You just need basically to set up the wireless network and the projecting settings, and you're good to go. Start using it. You can also select the language here. There's a lot of them, language settings here. Select the language that I want. Date and time. Just put the correct date and time. Mine is wrong right now. I can like adjust later. And Bluetooth device, if you want to connect an external Bluetooth speaker like I have here, you can just come here, search for a device, and you can just pair the device that you want. Okay, super simple, and you're good to go. You can start using your projector, right? You can select HDMI cable here if you want to connect any device to the HDMI. Start the HDMI signal here. You just need to come here and connect the cable to your computer, your phone, whatever you want to connect. I have another video here in the channel showing how to connect to an iPhone, to an Android, or to a MacBook. And as long as you have the connection, it's going to work, right? Or you can also have a USB device. You just insert the USB here with your video or photos, whatever you have, and you can load there. It's super simple, okay? So basically, that's the way you can set up your HY300 projector. I hope you like this video. Please leave your comments, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.